In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up the PSP emulator on Android called PPSSPP. Now, with the help of this emulator, you become able to enjoy all your favorite PSP games on any mobile device. Now, simply start by opening your Play Store app. Now, once your Play Store app is open, go ahead and search for PPSSPP. Now, once you search for this, you're going to see two versions. You're going to see the free version, and then you're also going to see the gold version. So simply download any one of your choice, and then once you are done with that, go ahead and search for Z Archiver. Now, with the help of this app, you'll be able to extract your game files. So it's very important. So make sure you install both of these to your device. Now, once you are done with that, go ahead and open your PPSSPP emulator. Now, if you are finding any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me to grow my YouTube channel. Now, once your emulator opens up for the first time, it's going to be like this. It's going to ask you to create a PSP folder. So click on OK. And then select any folder that you want it to utilize. As for me, I like it utilizing the document folder. So I'm going to click on document. And then once I click on document, I'm going to click on use this folder. Then I'll click on allow, and that's it. Then I'll click on OK. Now, as you can see, my emulator is open, but there's no game for us to play. Now, in order for us to have a game to play, we'll have to extract a game file. So I'm going to be opening my Z Archiver app. So once I open this my Z Archiver app, now I have to locate my PSP game file. Now I actually have a game file in here inside my download section. So you can see I actually have a game in here, but it's actually a zip file. So I'm going to have to extract the ISO file. To do this, I'll simply tap on the zip file, and then I'll click on extract here, and it's going to start extracting the ISO file. Alright, now my game has fully been extracted. So we have to move this ISO file. So to do that, we'll hold down on the ISO file, and then we'll click on cut. Now we have to move this file to our PSP folder. So if you remember, my PSP folder is inside my document section. So I'll click on document, PSP, game, and then I'll paste this ISO file inside the PSP folder. Now we can go ahead and open our emulator once more. Now, this emulator do not actually know where I'm keeping my game, so we won't be able to load my game. So I will have to click this browse icon to show it where I'm actually keeping my game. So once I click on the browse icon, and then I click on document, PSP, games, this is where I'm actually going to be keeping my game. So I will click on use this folder, allow, and now you see that my game is actually here and ready to play. Now there are some settings that you actually need to get the best graphics and best performance on your PPSSPP emulator, so that your games will actually be able to perform well without any single lag. I already have a dedicated video for that, and I'm going to suggest it at the end of this video. So simply just watch this video to the end so you'll be able to actually access that. Alright, now let's give this game a try and see how it goes. And please, if you are finding any value at all from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button, because that is going to help me to grow my YouTube channel.
Suffering for years, Kratos, the once great champion, now known as the ghost of Sparta, had pledged himself as a champion to the gods of Olympus.
Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 1,000 subscribers for a while now, and it have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can go ahead and also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.